Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch, a Couture 2023 with Grand Seiko, looking at one of their newest dive watches. Grand Seiko dive watches have been something that I love a lot, and they've done this for a long time, and this is one of the newest generation ones. And if you haven't been familiar with what they've been doing for a while, you really want to check out. It starts with the newest generation of the spring drive movement. 5 days of power reserve now. Even more accuracy, down to half-second accuracy per day. The same dial design that you like with the date and the power reserve indicator. The case size is just under 44 millimeters now, a little bit thinner than before. Of course, here in titanium, this version is called the Tide, and you can see in the dial it has this beautiful textured blue with a blue ceramic bezel as well. Really an attractive timepiece. It is not inexpensive. It is a bit over $11,000, but it is definitely beautiful, done very, very well with all the quality and fit and finishing you'll expect from Grand Seiko. See more about this Grand Seiko dive watch and more on aBlogtoWatch.com. Thanks.